How to connect VZX to your Android device wirelessly. First, grab your Android device and go to the Play Store. Search for IPEVO and install the IPEVO Whiteboard or Visualizer app. Then turn on VZX. Make sure VZX is in Wi-Fi mode. The amber LED indicates that the wireless is on. Check the bottom of VZX to find its SSID. Then, go to the Settings, Wi-Fi, and select the SSID. Once connected, launch Whiteboard. Select the DocCam icon, or launch Visualizer, which will automatically connect to VZX. You are now wirelessly connected to VZX.